Everybody take breathe in, hit wow. Thosa. Hit wow. Thosa. Hit wow. Thosa. Hit wow. And then thosa. And now everybody come back and come in the sitting position. And mucho kuisuong little. Hold your feet, just stay. Very normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back. Come in the butterfly. Hold your feet. Thang and swing your knee together for some time. Mochot kwegi. Khong kam se. Place your palm on the knee and two push knee down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Hit wow and thosa. Very slowly, two, just squeeze one, bend down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hit wow, come back. Chok chan, your legs together. Put your both arms front. Mocho to long out and then high chan lane both legs out. 1, 2, down long, high thigh swung. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Again, come back in the butterfly. Palm on the knee. Inhale and exhale. Slowly just bend down. Kuiswang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back. Bend your legs. Legs together. Gap chan, chok chan. Same. Both arms front. And then high chan lane. Legs out. Same. 1. Flex your feet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then again come back in the butterfly. This time take the wheel on your back, on the back. Yes, and the same, everybody just line on the wheel, put your arms back and then just stay there. Difficult, so you can make a little gap in between your spine and wheel. 1, thumb tie your arms straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back. Take the wheel in front of you, both palm on the wheel, and now push the wheel front maximally, and then draw your head down. 1, arm straight, thang tai. 2, nhìn xuống. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back again, gap chân and then relax, lift. This time high thigh lane, stretch your arm, loose out, and again high chân lane your both legs out, flex your feet. 1, 2, 3, ready, 4, 5, and now 6. High chân xuống, hít vào, thang tay thẳng lưng, and toes up, cúi xuống, just bend down. Hold your feet and flex your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Hít vào, hai tay lên, and toes up, then hai tay xuống. Jump chân, open your both legs, you are sideways. Flex your feet, jump thigh, open arms, hit vào, and toes are right hand down, your left arm straight over the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale, come back, exhale, same on your left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the right side. Hold your right foot, flex your foot, and touch your right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back, turn on your left side, hold your left foot and flex your left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. And come back, bend forward, cúi xuống, thang tay or gap tay, jam tay, anything you can, you just try. 1, duak the, so you can down more. Khom duak, so khom. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Come back, bend your left leg and left leg just inside. Bend your right leg and right hand under right hand. Takka Biyadzoi, this posture, option 1, hold with your left hand, lift the leg just out and with leg. Khom duak, jat kho. So just put the leg front and then just try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax, come back. Same, another side, left hand under left leg. Hold with your right hand, the same option. Option 1, leg up, chest out. Option high, put your leg front and hold with your both hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6, and now relax. Hem Motlan, Jam Haichen. Open your both legs your sideways. Hai Tai Ling, both arms up. Inhale, stretch your arms and exhale, bend on the right. Inhale, come back, Tap Chung Tha, and exhale, bend on the left. Thang Lung. Inhale, come back, exhale, again, bend on the right and stay. 1, 2, 3, Thang Tai, 4, 5, 6, inhale, come back, exhale, Tiap Tu, bend on the left side. 1, Tai Sao, Thang Lung, 4, 5, and now 6, inhale, come back, exhale, Hai Tai Small. Again, take the wheel on the back. Same line one. Just go back on the wheel, drop your head down and put your both arms back and just stay. Khom Duak. Yes, Thang Tai, Tai Sao, Chuk Tai or Dan Tai, and give the whole arm stretch and work in your whole spine. Combine the practice with your hip and your spine stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Come back. Take the wheel with you, the front side. Both hands on the wheel, and then just push your wheel front and then bend back. But try your both palms should be top of the wheel. Focus more, Tap Chung Hem, Thang Lung. Stretching your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back, everybody. Relax. Thang, relax together. Move your legs. Jam Tai, open arms, shoulder level. Inhale. Exhale, turn on the left side, Sam Chai, with a twisting. Both palms remain aligned. Push your feet down, Robot Swan. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the right side. Use your shoulder strength. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the left side. Again, Hemotlan. Inhale, come back, and exhale, turn on your right side. Inhale, come back, and exhale, twist one, bend down, hold your feet, and then just flex your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back. Gap Hai Chan, bend your both legs and hold your big toes. Lift your both legs up, Hai Chan lane, and then Jan Chan, open legs your sidewise, and then comes up. Once again, try. 1, 2, 3. Home Sao, Tap Chung. 5, comes out, hey, try. Is happen, fall down, try again, fall down, try again, fall down, try again, try again, all the time. Okay, good. Legs together, gap chan chan soon and high rise sound. Hip wow, open shoulder, and thumbs up and opening, lift your hip. Press your palm and keep opening your shoulder and open your lungs. 2, more lane, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax. Come back. Monk swan. Everybody thanchan. Keep your both legs straight and put your left leg on your right upper thigh. Hit wow, high thigh lane, and thumbs up. Kui swan. Bend down on the right foot and flex your right foot. Hit wow, high thigh lane, and toes are then high thigh swan. Now put your right leg on your left upper thigh. Do a khom doa, khom sao. Put your right leg under your hip. No problem. Knee pain, ankle pain, maybe hip stiffness, you cannot, so no problem. Put the leg under the hip. After the another practice today, that is the arm balancing, just take the broad side of your hip. Good. So again option 1, those members can press the palm, lift the knee and try to lift your posture. Khom dua, so only at least try to lift the hip. Do at least one thing. Come on. Dua, lane, khom dua, down the swan normally. 1, 2, tie down, khom kan tao. 3, 4, noi, eat, tap nyo. 5, and now 6. Relax. Somewhat. Thanchan, relax your legs. Right leg on your left upper thigh. Hit wow, high thigh lane. And toes are then kui swan, bend down. Hit wow, high thigh lane. And toes are then high thigh swan. Same practice, your left leg put on your right upper thigh. Khom doa, khom sao. Any portion you cannot complete, no problem, but try to be practice. So same option more. Try to lift your posture, leviate from the ground. Cannot, so just only lift your hip also, that's it. At least do something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. This is your body weight now. You have to carry your body weight. Relax, function, move your legs. Bend your both legs under your hip. And come in the downward facing dog. Thang tai thang chan and then just thang low. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5. Chan chai lane, your left leg up. Chan chai chuak, left leg in between your both arms. Everybody take the one block, moth block, and put the one block same line of your left leg. Chan chai block same line, little bit gap. And now hit wow, high thigh lane, your both arms up, and toes up. Left hand thigh chai swung, chan phi lane, thigh phi lane, and then nim lane. Look up. Comes out. Hey, no, once again try. Nim lane, combo also in swung. 1, need to be focused. Balancing. Kan, neo, tap chuk. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Chân phải xuống. Downward facing dog. Chân phải lên, your right leg up. Chân phải chuộc, right leg between arms. Now the block, same line of your right leg. Again, inhale, both arms up, high thigh lane in the high lunge. And exhale towards a thigh five, your right hand down, thigh five swung, chân chai lane. Nin lane khom duak, so nin swung. You try to look up, if you can't look up, you cannot balance, so nin swung. 1, balance the 2, 3, 4, 5, left hand do 6, and then relax. Thigh swung, chân swung, and downward facing dog. Thang lung, chân chai lane, your left leg up. Chân chai chuak, left leg in between your both arms. So this time block Mo Chut 5 on the right side. Mo Chut 5. Again, hit wow, high thigh lane, your both arms up. And now this time your right hand, thigh 5. Thigh 5 swung, and then chân 5 lane, thigh chai lane. Your right hand down, right leg up, and your left hand up. The reverse side, we say the reverse half moon pose. The block you are using only for the spot. Do not put your body weight on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Thigh swung, chân swung, downward facing dog. Your hands down, your legs down, and downward facing dog. Right leg up, chân phải lên, chân phải chuak, right leg in between your arms. So this time block Mo Chut chai, just put on the left side. Again, hit wow, high thigh lane, your both arms up, and toes are when you exhale, thigh chai swung, chân chai lane, and thigh phi lane. Your left hand down, your left leg up, and right hand up. Block, don't put the body weight. Just keep lifting yourself upward. 1, so that your arms, your shoulder align in one line. 2, 3, don't touch them, let them hold. 4, 5, and now 6. Come on, downward facing dog. Thang thigh, thang chân, and thang lung. Come in the meow meow pose. Yes, meow meow pose. Everybody take that. Will be good. Place the palm on the wing. First, your hip more sound, and then push the wheel front. Maintain the position, and slowly pull to just squeeze one. And down. Maintain your hip to knee align, more down way, one line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Come on, sitting position, and then stand on. Now we go some gentle back bending first. Put your hands on your hip, om high thigh sound more. Inhale, Open shoulder, exhale, push your hip front and then bend back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax. Second time, the same pose, lung high. Hit wow, konkan tap nyo, tap in and thumbs up, push your hip front and bend back. Elbow closer, opening in your shoulder and in your upper back. 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Inhale, come back and exhale, relax first. We'll go the second practice in the back bending. This time put your hands on the back, a bit up. Inhale and exhale, push your hip front and then bend back. Elbow closer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Come back. Inhale, exhale, relax it. Once again the same practice, after we will change it. Inhale and exhale, push your hip front and then bend back. Same. 1, 2 hit wall, 2 thousand, slowly inhalation and exhalation. 4, 5 and now 6. Inhale, come back and exhale, now relax. Come in the cat pose first and come in the downward facing dog. Thang tai, thang chen and thang loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Chan chai lane. Lift your left leg up in the one leg downward facing dog. Thang mong, your hips square. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Left leg in between your arms. Chan chai chua. Hit wow. Hai tai lane. Your both arms up. Just bring the palm together. 1, 2, 3 and now 4. Jang tai. Thang chan and just literally just bend down. Very nice practice to build up strength in your hip and in your legs muscle. Mid thang, look front everybody. And just focus on your left hamstring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Once again, gap chan chai and hit wow. Hai tai lane, your both arms up. And Tauza Hai Tai Swung, Chan Chai Lane, Thay both leg. One more time, left leg up. Chan Chai Chua, left leg in between your both arms. Inhale, both arms up and bring your palm together. This time again, Jang Tai, but will come in the warrior 3 pose. From here, just try to lift the right leg and now maintain the position in the warrior 3, the balancing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Very good. Chan swung, Tai swung and now Thay Mot Lan, Chan Chai Lane. Now Nin Thang, Nin coming first. Chan Chai Lane and now go to left leg right side and now come in the half wheel pose from here. Takdi, Nin Zoe. 1. Chan Phai Swung, put the right leg down in the half wheel pose. Mot Tai Swung. 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, downward facing dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Chan Phai Lane. Now they have to continuous another side. Chan Phai Chuak. Right leg in between your arms. Inhale, both arms up and bring your palm together. Just control. When you exhale, try to keep the legs straight. Jang Tai slowly. Mom thang hip square. Slowly, 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 slowly. Pull your swan bend down. Maintain your hip to shoulder align. 90. 1, 2, Chan Phai, 4, 5, and now 6. Again, Gap Chan Phai and Hai Tai Lane in the high lunge position. Hit wow. And toes are Hai Tai Swung. Chan Phai Lane. Your right leg up. Good roll. Chan Phai Chuak. I'm giving you some relaxation alternate. Again, hit bow, Hai Tai Lane, your both arms up. And now, Jang Tai first. And now just come in the warrior 3 pose. Chan Chai Lane. 1, no dancing. 2, 3, 4. Don't touch them, don't touch them. Balancing, don't touch them. 4, 5, and now 6. Okay, so downward facing dog, Chan Phai Lane again. Chan Phai Lane, and now drop the right leg on the left side, Chan Phai Swung Chai. 1 hand down, 2 hand down, just you try. 1, 2, Jang Chan Mochuk. 4, 5, and now 6. Okay, relax. Downward dog. And come in the child relaxation. Relaxation. Relax. Palm comes up. Child pose. Palm comes up. Child pose. Yes. Little bit open knee. Palm swung. Oh. Come in. Relax. Walk foot. Khong Noi. Sitting position, and then stand on your feet. We come back again in the back bending. Now Nam Hai Kocha. We are combining our practice, balance, hip, back. Later we'll go some other. So Nam Hai Kocha, you all know. Option 1, flattened feet. Option 2, stand on the toe. Option 3, with high blow. And option 1, Khom Duak, so Om Hai Tai Sound. Come on, Abdi. Just try. Take your leg, big block. Push the knee front. Khom Duak, so take the block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Come in the downward facing dog. Thang Tai Thang Chen, and then Thang Ni. Your legs straight, your arms straight, and your spine straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chan Chai Lane, your left leg up. And now come in the pigeon pose from the left leg side. Pigeon pose. Chan Chai Chuak, left leg in between your arms. Very good. So again, optional pose. Option 1, just simply Mo Tai Lane, Tai Phai Lane. Bend back. Option, Hai Tai Lane. Khom Duak, Tai Lane, Khom Duak, so Khom Kan, Tai Swung, and then bend back. Just try. Tai Lane, just Khom. So Khom Kan Tai Lane. When you're lifting arm difficult, so not it. If you can, then you can try. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, squeeze 1, bend down. Gap chan 5 and Nampo chan 5. Bend your right leg and try to hold your right ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5. Come back, downward facing dog. You can make any variation. Chan 5 lane, right leg up. Now pigeon pose from the right hand side. In between your both arms. Same thing, same motions you have, overhand, high-handing, cup chan chai, hold the foot, anything. Anything you can try. Nice one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, now relax. Gap chan chai and Nampo chan chai, and then twist 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Downward facing dog again. So this time will come in our intensive hip stretch, a bit challenging. Chan chai lane, left leg up. Chan chai chua, left leg in between arms. And now high chan swap. Monkey pose. Options, you almost do. Contain. Who is okay? You take block. You can do any variation, you are free. More block, high block, four block, home block. Yes, stay. One, three, wait, I need to be more than 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, squeeze 1, bend forward, 20, 20, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As always, downward facing dog. Easy, easy, ma. New option. Chan 5 lane. Chan 5 chua. Copy. High chan squat. Very difficult. Just go practice with block. Take the block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. If somebody they can do more, they can go over the hands, so it depends on your but never ever compare yourself with others. Just focus on your practice. Everybody is different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, and now 10. Quiz one, bend down. Come on. Thang right forward, also come back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Relax. Palm jump, back straight. Relax your legs. Move your legs. Jang tight, open arms, shoulder level. Hip bow and Thauza Sanchai turn on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on your right side. 5, bounce 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, twist 1, bend down. Hold your feet and then just flex your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Relax. Take the wheel again with you. Wheel on the back. Yes. And lie on the wheel again. Thangjan, Gokjan, Monglen, Monglen, Takama. Anything you can do. You can roll, you can jump, water lane, high jumping, you can rolling. Anything you can be practiced on the way. But you have to control yourself, control your body balance on the field. Cannot control, so go with a very simple, very comfortable option. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and now relax, come back slowly. Squeeze 1, bend forward, bend down, xong rồi, Okay, squeeze 1, bend down, relax, 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 relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now come in the downward facing dog. Come on, thang tay, thang chân, thang lưng. Chân trái lên, your left leg up. Chân trái chuak, left leg in between your both arms. Everybody drop your right heel on the ground. Left hand under left leg and Nam Ko Tai Phi. Nam Ko Tai Phi. Nam Ko Tai Phi. Nam Ko Tai Phi. Tai Chai, South Chân Chai. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tai Chai, South Chân Chai. Yes. And after Nim Thang Praveen. Now Chan 5, Chuak. Right leg just front. Also, Nikhan. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now one more. Try to be stand on your right leg. Gapchan child you can be. Khanchan child you can be. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sonjoy. Downward facing dog. Come on. Downward dog. When you practice balancing, you try to focus. Come on. Balancing is all about your strength and your awareness. Chan 5 lane, your right leg up. Chan 5 chuak. Right leg in between arms. Drop your left heel. Now the right hand under leg, right leg. Thigh 5, South Chan 5, Namto Thai child, look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5. Chan Chai Chua, left leg front and now stay. 1, 2, 3, and now 4. Now slowly, don't lane. You have to be stand on your left leg. 1, 2, 3. Lucy, how many straps we have here? You can see. Strap. Your guys here. So do one thing. Two member. Take one. Two member. Take one. Make the couple. Make one couple. Two member. First, everybody come near. First, we will practice they love so much. Huh? So first we will practice the back bending. One practice and second we will see how much time we have. So back bending we will go 3 rounds. We will cover. You explain to them also. We will cover the lower back first round. Less open. Yes. And take my side. Inhale. You have to be controlled. First practice, more high bar, more more is okay. Okay, relax. So bend down. Yes, bend down. Bend down. Who is one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, relax. Come back. Second time. Yes. Say one again. Good. You have to be small, but don't lose them. Don't lose it. You have to control it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back. After twist one, you roll it. After that, you finish that. Hold down. One more practice, then upper back. Upper back. Yes. Again. Again. Inhale. Hold the back. Yes. Down. Down. Good. And you have to be controlled here. Upper back you cannot so you can also hold with the hands also. Again try. Yes. And now just try. Just try. Just try. But try to be nuan thang chan. Your legs straight. Okay, relax. If you say one intensive option, one advanced option, if any member can, so they can do the complete wheel pose also. You can do it. Gio, I'll show you the one more fourth option. This also work. If you can do the complete wheel pose again, control it, slowly control. Duak, then up. Home duak, so bar tak praveen noise hoy. Yeah. Bar tak praveen noise hoy, then is. Come on, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Don't come back anymore. Just stay.